Did you know there's an easy way to see if the CDT time to administer the test is worth it? I am in the CDT demo site. I am looking at right now at a 7th grade science group map. And I'm actually going to change the map to the individual map. And any student will do. And I can now see how the student performed in each of the categories as well as the overall score. And if I hover over this whisker, it's a standard error band, and a number is populated, 75. The standard error band in the category as a nature of science is 75. And you know what? It's supposed to be in the 70s in the categories in science and math. So I'm going to look at the student, 80, getting close to the end of that range, 87, little longer than it should be, and 88. There may be a wee bit of guessing going on, but I could ask the student about that in a one-to-one conference. If I come over here to the overall score, there is 41 populated, and 40s are what we expect to see in the overall score standard error. Now, ELA is a little bit different, so I'm going to change my map configuration. Here is 7th grade reading, and I need to click continue. And my map configuration, I need to pick reading grade 7. Okay, and I'm going to move over to the individual map. And I'm going to select a student. This time we'll pick Miles. And now I can see 2 sets of standard error bands. And so if I hover over, it's in the 90s. Again, ELA, we expect to see the standard error in the diagnostic categories in the 90s. So if I'm looking there, we're still within that range. 104 is fine. I wouldn't get too worried till I get about 15 points above that range. So the 90s are looking good. 102. There was that one's getting close to the edge of the range where there's just some guessing going on there. This one at 88, I'm not worried about it. It's a smaller standard error. That means that the student has not jumped around in grade level categories. And just like in math and science, the overall standard error, overall score standard error is in the 40s. How could I look at all of my students quickly? I would need to scroll down to the bottom, check off all the students, and export to a CSV file. I will start another video for explaining how to work with that CSV file. So a quick way to look at, is this test worth my time? Am I getting the valid results? That you can be done by looking at the standard error bands.